Stock number 40727Y. It is a 2014 Audi A4. It does have a key. It does not start. Battery does not. The car doesn't have power. I tried jumping it. See, the bumper's no good. Hood's no good. Door's no good. Side view mirror's no good. Got a scrape right there. Quarter panel. Rear bumper's no good. Tail light's busted. Quarter panel's no good. Steering wire bag's deployed. It does have a key. It does not start. It does have a sunroof. Again, stock number 40727Y. It's a 2014 Audi A4. It does have a key. It does not start. There's no power.